Hi, I'm Erik with TMC, and I'm here talking today with President of Stratus Telecommunications, Nathan Franzmeier. Nathan, thanks for joining me.
Thank you for having me.
It's been a while since I last spoke with Stratus. How about starting by giving me a little update on what's been going on?
So a lot of what this year has been about is reacting to market changes. Of course, a lot of pressure on various telecommunications equipment providers. The market's been tight. A lot of the people that were in some of the areas of the business, like session controllers and whatnot, have been acquired, have been changed, been struggling for business. We had an excellent first quarter. We went through the rest of the year. We had to make some adjustments and with our product line, with what we wanted to go do and what we're focused on. But we've got a good product set. We're back in growth mode at this point, and we're excited about what we're doing.
What are you seeing in the market in terms of interaction and cooperation between wireless and wireline operators?
Well, I think the market's going to continue to evolve towards more and more interaction with the wireless operators. Our product line has certainly evolved into having more mobility features and whatnot. As you get into our product line, the core of everything that we have is mostly wrapped around our Entice session controller, and then we have various add-on applications that are focused on residential voice over IP or enterprise broadband solutions, calling card, and whatnot like that. But in that space, we brought in mobility options to be able to, obviously in the enterprise space, forward extensions off to phones, be able to hand off between various devices, things like that. We've also integrated some applications that we've written on platforms like the BlackBerry and whatnot into our applications. But there are other places, like in places where WiMAX is being deployed and whatnot, where we've done some work in regards to being a CSCF in that space as well.
What about IMS? It's a space that's been that was talked about, hyped up a lot for a while. It's been fairly quiet now.
I think it's quiet for us as well. So the IMS, while we talked about it a lot over the last couple of years, maybe 2-3 years ago, really hasn't panned out to be a big focus in terms of our customer base. Everybody wants to know that you're capable of evolving into IMS, and we've been positioning ourselves as a platform that can easily evolve into whatever standards emerge, whether it's completely conforming to IMS or not.
Are there differences in what you're seeing in North America as opposed to other parts of the world?
We've seen a lot of growth in places like Africa. A lot of our business there has been in things like Tandem International Gateways, in terms of providing that capability to various countries. Also, we've done SS7 monitoring of traffic that's going on in those places to eliminate fraud, things like that. We've also seen growth in the U.S. We've done a lot of work in the last year or so, really beefing up our capability to do jurisdictional-based routing inside the U.S. Because all the wholesale carriers are trying to maximize their profits.
How is the evolution of the applications world having an impact on what you and your customers are having to develop?
I think everybody's working on solutions that aren't closed solutions, so it's important to have an application interface of some sort that allows your system to become a part of a larger solution. So we've done a lot of work on our external SOAP-based interfaces that allow us to be integrated in with various people's front-end and back-end systems. So if it's a CRM system that we need to put on the front that flows through and provisions into our system, or if it's a back-end billing or fraud monitoring or traffic analysis, LCR engines, all those sort of things, they're easily accessible via our SOAP interface. If you want to put a web face on that's different from the web face that we provide, we have the capability to go do that. And then if you want to go in and modify our call processing logic, we have APIs that allow you to do that as well.
How important is it for you to enable the integration with those types of products and applications?
I think a lot of times that's been the winning point for our solution. You can take, you can go into an area where maybe a competitor is 95% there and we're 95% there, we're easier to change to go fit the ultimate solution than they are. It gives us a winning advantage.
Now, you guys are exhibiting at IT Expo in Miami. What can people see at your booth? Why should they come visit Stratus Telecommunications?
So I think we're going to be showing our suite of products there. We've done a lot of work on our enterprise broadband solution. We showcase some of that work there. We've done a lot of work on our calling card platforms. We'll be showing that there. We have been getting a lot of interest and buy-in on our converged application servers, where we've been providing local number portability or just number portability in general in various countries where they're deregulating. We'll be showing those sort of products there as well. So we'll be showing also our latest solutions, taking advantage of the latest faster, better hardware that's out there. We've been able to double our capacities. Now we can do, in one box, we can do well over 6,000 simultaneous sessions from a session controller standpoint on a one-use server if we want to. So I think there's been a lot of changes in that regard too, in terms of density that we can offer.
Fantastic. I've been talking here with President of Stratus Telecommunications, Nathan Franzmeier. Nathan, thanks again for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you at IT Expo.
Okay, thank you.